Good noon, my lovable students and respectable guardians, parents, and all viewers. Due to some reasons, Sudhar sir cannot take a class. From today, I am continuing a class, Standard 5, Chapter 7. That means in earlier classes, you studied about two different countries. That means they have very variety of conditions. That means very climatic conditions. That means DRC and Greenland. That means DRC means Democratic Republican of Congo and Greenland. That means in this chapter, that means chapter 7 today, then we will learn about Saudi Arabia. So there are 218 countries all over the world. Saudi Arabia is one of them. Very important countries also. Due to some regions, very land of sandy deserts and oasis, and especially Saudi Arabia, our land of sandy desert and oasis. That means deserts means when a small area, that means no rainfall. There is no rainfall, water is not available here. But oasis means very a small area in desert. That means here water is available. Okay, let's come to topic and know more about it and also learn. Let's start SST chapter standard 5 chapter 7 Saudi Arabia, the land of sandy deserts and oasis. That means in this chapter we learn about the desert country Saudi Arabia. Let's start look at the following textbook also. Saudi Arabia, look at the map. Saudi Arabia, Red Sea, Sudan, Egypt, Israel, Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran, Persian Gulf, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, that means short for UAE, United Arab Emirates, then Oman, Yemen, Eritrea. Okay, that is the look at the map. Saudi Arabia, that means the land sand dune, the land features. Okay, and then let's sand dunes, then oasis in Saudi Arabia. Look at following pictures. Then Abha hill station, climatic conditions Saudi Arabia. Then last start date palm, the vegetation and vegetations. So date palm is important tree in the Saudi Arabia. Then wildlife, there are different animals: camel, baboon, wildcats, ibex, bostard, pelican. Okay, the wildlife found in Saudi Arabia. Then start Bedouins. There are different peoples, also different varieties of peoples are there in Saudi Arabia. Then falafel, that's a different tasty food. That means very important staple food. Then minerals, very important minerals, petroleum oil, Saudi Arabia. Then starts Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. That means India's capital is New Delhi. Like that, Saudi Arabia capital Riyadh. Okay, let's come to the hard copy. First, Saudi Arabia. First question 1. Name the term for citizen of Saudi Arabia. Answer: Saudi Arabian or Saudi. That means like that Indians first questions arises to name the term for citizens of India. That means Indian. Like that, name the term for citizens of Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabian or Saudi. Okay. Then like this American. Okay. Then number 2. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Look at picture. Riyadh, the capital Saudi Arabia. Then next question. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? Riyal. Currency. That means India's currency name rupees. Then Bangladesh taka. Then like that. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? Riyal. Then number B, desert. Many questions about deserts. Like a desert is an arid land area with very little or no rainfall. Number 4. Name some major deserts of the world. Shortcut formula: SCAGG. SCAGG. That means S for SKA, C for CNA, A for ASA, G for GA, G for GTA. First start S. S for SK. S for Sahara, K for Kalahari Desert in Africa. Keep remember SK. S for Sahara, K for Kalahari, A for Africa. Sahara, Kalahari Desert in Africa. Then second point, C for CNA, C for Colorado Desert, North, N for North, A for America, North America. Then third point, ASA, A for ASA, A for Atacama Deserts, S for South, A for America. ASA, A for Atacama Deserts, Atacama Deserts Moribhumi, Odia meaning that means Atacama, that means S for South America. Okay. Let's G for GAA, that means G for Great, A for Australian, A for Australia. Great Australian, that means situated in Australia. Let's G for GTA, G for Gobi, T for Thor, Gobi Desert, Thor Desert, that means in Asia. Okay, GTA, Gobi, Thor and Asia. Number 5, name the largest peninsula in the world. Arabian Peninsula. First, name the largest peninsula in the, that means 3 sides water, one place in land. That means what is peninsula? Peninsula means the 3 sides water covered by the one side land. Okay, that means name the largest peninsula in the world. Arabian Peninsula. Number 6, in which country is located Arabian Peninsula? Saudi Arabia. Number 7, name the 14th largest country in the world. Same answer, Saudi Arabia. Next question, number 8, Jordan and Iraq are located in which direction of the Saudi Arabia? North direction. A different direction, east, west, northwest, that means the which direction Saudi Arabia, Jordan and Iraq, that means north direction. Then number 9, which countries are located in the east of Saudi Arabia? Answer, different countries are located, they are situated in the east of Saudi Arabia. Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, UAE. UAE is short form, that means full form, United Arab Emirates are located in the east of Saudi Arabia. Next questions, number 10. Name a mountain range located in Saudi Arabia. Answer, Sarawat Mountain Range. SARW, Sarawat Mountain Range. Then number 11. Name one of the largest continuous sand desert in the world. Answer, the Rub Al Khali region in the southern part of the country is the largest continuous sand desert in the world. Number 12. Name 2 deserts situated in the northern part of Saudi Arabia. First point, Nafud Desert, and second point, Adi Dahna Desert. Okay, then name 2 deserts. Number 13. Name 2 major oases of Saudi Arabia. Shortcut name, HAL, H-A-A-L. H-A first term H-A, then A-L. H-A means Ha-Il. That's second point, Al-Hassa. That means A-L for Al-Hassa, H-A means Ha-Il. Okay, then next question, number 14. What is oasis? That means name in oasis, that means the first point, a small area in desert where water is available. Water is available, that is the oasis. Name in 2 oasis, that means Ha-Il and Al-Hassa. Name in 2 major oasis, Saudi Arabia. Number 15. Name the highest mountain peak of the Saudi Arabia. That means Jabal Soda. That means 3,133 meter. Jabal Soda. That means the name highest mountain peak of the Saudi Arabia. Number 16. More than 10% of Saudi Arabia's population consists of foreign workers. 30%. More than 10% of Saudi Arabia's population consists of foreign workers. 30%. Keep remember. 17. Name the sea is located to the south of Saudi Arabia. Answer, Arabian Sea is located to the south of Saudi Arabia. Number 18. Which region is the greatest part of the Saudi Arabia country? Aussie region. The Aussie region is the greatest part of the Saudi Arabian country. Number 19. Answer in one word. Oh, question for you. Sheep of the deserts, camel. Everybody already known sheep of the deserts. Mane Morubhumira Odia meaning Morubhumira Jahaja. That means camel auto. Sheep of the deserts, camel. Number 20. Which region has the grasslands and trees of Saudi Arabia country? The Aussie region. Aussie region has grasslands and trees of Saudi Arabia country. Number 21. What are Bedouins? Bedouin means, that means the nomads. Saudi Arabia, most of the people of Saudi Arabia are found in very different categories, that nomads categories. Nomads used to move from one place to another place in search of water and green pastures. That means they are called Bedouins. Okay, keep remember. And second point, Bedouins kept herd of sheep. That means goats and camels. Herd, that means group. Palla, the Odia meaning dollar. Herd of sheep, goats and camels. Number 22. What is the caravan? That means it is the herd means a collective noun. In English grammar, you already know collective noun. That means herd. Herd, group, bonds, that like this. Okay, you already Bedouins kept herd of sheep, goats and camels. But number 22, what is caravan? First point, Bedouins moved in groups along with their herds. Okay, herds meaning already understandable, I think. And second point, such a group is called caravan. Number 23, what are called the people of Saudi Arabia? The people of Saudi Arabia are called Arabs. Keep remember, Arabs. Number 24, which type of clothes do Saudi Arabia people wear? Answer, they wear ghutra and eagle as a headdress. Number 25, what is popular dance of Saudi Arabia that commonly performed by the Bedouins? Al-Ardha. Al-Ardha is the very popular dance of Saudi Arabia that commonly performed by Bedouins. Number 26, what type of dresses do men and women wear? Answer first, men. Men wear thawf, a loose fitting white robe. Second point, women. Women, what type of dress women wear? No, women wear abaya, black dress. Number 27, name two most important pilgrim centers of Muslims in Saudi Arabia. That means answer I, Mecca, Medina. Basically, all of the world, Muslim people of the all of the world go to the Mecca, Medina, Saudi Arabia. Basically, also present there. Mecca means Mokeswaram Shiva temple, also there, and Mecca and Medina. And number 28, what is the national language of Saudi Arabia? Arabic. National language, Arabic. Number 29, which language is also widely spoken in Saudi Arabia? English. Basically spoken, widely spoken, and mostly spoken in Saudi Arabia, English. Basically all over the world international language English. So Saudi Arabia English language was widely spoken in Saudi Arabia. Next question, 30 question, number question 30. What is the most important mineral found in Saudi Arabia? Petroleum. Petroleum mineral is a very important mineral resources in Saudi Arabia. Number 31. Which country is leading exporter of the petroleum in the world? Answer, Saudi Arabia. Very leading exporter of petroleum in the world. So he the huge areas, huge resources of petroleum. So he is the greatest, he is the richest country of the world, maximum. 32. Which type of mineral is also called liquid gold and why? Because petroleum is also called liquid gold. Second point, because of its economic value. Economic value is high. Third point, major industries located are petroleum refineries and petrochemicals. Number 33, name some important cities of Saudi Arabia. First point, Mecca. Second point, Medina. Third point, Jeddah. Fourth point, Abha. V point, Al-Hassa. 34, what is the full form of OPEC? That means first you know, already knew about UAE, United Arab Emirates, but 34 question, what is the full form of OPEC? Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. O for organization, P for petroleum, E for exporting, C for countries. Already discussed, and then I have already prepared your hard copy and question answer. That means question A, B, C, D already completed. Then follow, write down and do practice more times. Thank you so much. And then first, Saudi Arabia, lands of different Saudi map. Look at the picture. Okay, Abha hill stations, so it is Saudi Arabia, climates, different animals, date palms. Okay, keep remember. Bedouins, palpel and petroleum. Okay, and thank you so much. May God bless you. Thanks a lot to everyone.